Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create progress bars in Google Sheets. This is a quick and easy way to make your spreadsheets more visual and easier to understand, especially when you're tracking tasks, projects, goals, or completion percentages. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets on your computer and open the spreadsheet where you want to add progress bars. Next, make sure you have a column with percentage values. For example, you might have numbers ranging from 0 to 100 that represent the progress of different tasks. Now, select all the cells that contain those values. Once the cells are selected, click on the Format menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Under the formatting options, choose a color that you would like to use for your progress indicators. You can create different formatting rules based on percentage ranges. For example, you might use one color for low progress, another color for medium progress, and a different color for high progress or completed tasks. As your values change, the formatting will automatically update, making it easier to track progress at a glance. This method doesn't require any formulas and is perfect for users who want a simple visual way to monitor data. Once you're happy with the formatting, click Done to save your changes. Your spreadsheet will now display progress visually using conditional formatting. And that's it. You've successfully created progress-style indicators in Google Sheets without using formulas. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.